What's up, it's Cali Forums, the X Forums. I am at Xtreme Machines here in Millstone, New Jersey. Since the inventory is a little differently set up than the other spot, Motorcycle Mall, I can actually just do like an overhead look. I'm on the second floor looking at some of the apparel and accessories. So I'll have a link in the description below, and I'm going to check out the dyno downstairs. I'll be right back. Alright, Cali Forums, ZX Forums, the ZX Predator is here at Xtreme Machines. I did the overhead view showing you like some of their inventory. Being that there was a couple customers in there, I didn't want to do my normal walk around. But I'm actually going to take the bullet and take Lola on her second dyno run. So I had to get the registration and all the proof of insurance before they can let her on the dyno. So here she is. And I'm gonna suit up and then I'm head on over there. Alright, folks. Lola signed up for the dyno shootout. So just gonna hang out with the crowd, do some videos, get some reactions. Should be some fun stuff. So over here at Xtreme Machines, Lola, make me proud. Alright, folks, we got a line waiting for their bikes to get on the dyno. Back here inside Xtreme Machines, you can hear it over here. I'll probably get 1 or 2 videos of some other bikes. So this should be fun. I think it'll be cool. Second time on after all the mods. Hopefully the numbers are either matching or above what we had before. But remember, with the new maps and the flash ECU and all that, it hasn't been tuned yet. So no excuses, we'll see where we're at. So this is just to get a baseline to see what improvements need to be made to her to get all the juice out of her. So we'll be right back.
How much does it cost?
This one was about $750. I'm curious to see what this is gonna put up. It's gonna be definitely a 190.
Is that your pen?
Oh, that's his.
That's it.
That's what it tastes like now.
What do you run?
I have a ZX10. It's an older bike, Gen 2.
What year?
2006.
What is it?
Alex Lexus. ZX Ninja. That's me. Jesus. 176.
Can I have it, Ron?
Nice. Man, that thing got a freaking pull, man. He said bite off.
It's got lights on.
Yeah. I got the video showing the lights and everything.
I'm glad pay you too.
Nah, he's gonna try to whip it.
1 year ago. 1 year and a half ago.
182, bro.
Drop the mic moment.
She'll start a hop too.
Yeah. Watch, if he pushes it, I think he get 190 on it.
He did it. Yeah, I told you he was gonna get another 10.
Last, woof. Man, that.
He was about to get thrown through the roof.
Do some bunny hops and break the strap.
Damn, I don't even know if I want my bike getting on the dyno after that.
So why are you holding back?
I gotta tighten that chain. I gotta tighten it.
But looser's better though, isn't it?
Not that loose.
You watch mine.
It should have at least like what 2 inches of slack on it.
You gotta look at when he's sitting on it though. That tells you the big difference.
I'm glad you cleared you Tuesday.
I gotta strap it down, baby.
Oh, this is the first gen HP4, right? Alright.
See where you at?
184.
185.
All right, tell you what. Nah, definitely, you can ride my Harley. I want to ride that, okay? Definitely now, bro.
You still want to buy it off him?
I'm definitely going to take that bitch out for a ride now. I'm definitely going to take that bitch out for a ride.
That's crazy.
Hope he does one
That's
more.
it. That's it.
You still want to buy it off him?
It's on now. Now I'm going to ride that bitch.
Some kids on the black market.
Oh, he's trying to push it. He's trying to push it.
Hey, you can tell them to, hold it up.
Buy it.
They won't max it out. So if you tell them, it's okay.
If
I already signed a waiver, so it don't matter.
Nah, that's got nothing to do with it. You gotta tell them to go all out.
Yeah.
Tell them to put balls on.
Well, otherwise they'll just run it to red line. But you tell them all out, they'll go all out.
Oh, shit! 189.6.
That's your piece of shit?
Yeah, that's his piece of shit. The one that said it's still the same.
I think he's going for it. I think he's going for that 192.
He's doing it, bro. He's doing it.
That's ridiculous. I'm definitely taking that bitch out of the market. Take it on 21.
I almost bought one. Did they fix 21?
What exhaust are you running?
The GPR.
GPR?
Hot
Nice.
bodies.
Oh, okay. Hot Bodies has some good stuff. All right. You got a quick shifter on there?
Yeah.
Damn, that's loud as heck. I like it.
It's gonna hit 13.5 too, so it's gonna go.
Woo.
Wow.
Oh, I can't wait to stick this on the channel. This is gonna be good stuff.
That's your bike?
Yeah.
No, you've seen it a billion times.
I was about to say, that's not your bike, bro.
Why?
That's BB. That's BB's bike.
No, the R6 is hers.
Both of them. That's your bike.
We know. No, we know.
So what was that? 178 in the first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so pole number 3.
No, bro. Get out of here. Yeah. She's having a good time, bro. Just strip it off. I'm not gonna tell you that. Is that today? It's still up? It's still up there?
181.
He's only not doing miles per hour. He's only doing horsepower.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now they
You know
like
what I mean? I don't really like the newer body styles. I don't know why.
because they're less fairings, less plastic. It's more for aerodynamics now. So I mean,
I just don't like how they look. I like the older, like I was on a 600 jet track.
yeah.
Which is like fat, fucking like you like throw it.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, like when I crashed, I don't know if I was like fucking throwing it or
Yeah.
fucking like I just felt the backfire.
Just so you guys know, we're gonna call.
Thank you. You about to take off?
Yeah.
I live in Roosevelt Park up north.
I might go in.
Yeah.
Last call for 50-50s. Last call.
All right. Oh man, I wish I got this done sooner. But like you're about to head out now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll definitely give you a call, and if I have to ride on down.
Dude, I'll meet you halfway if we have to.
Okay,
We
great.
just gotta find a nice spot.
Like I definitely for my channel, I want to do a collabo with you. So I will be calling you probably tomorrow. So we'll set up an appointment.
Perfect.
All right, no problem. Thank you. I was supposed to do a photo shoot. So is it getting it nice and... I don't even think he remembers doing this bike because it looked different back then.
That was a full pull.
Nice.
I was worried there for a while.
Oh man, this is exciting.
Holy shit, this house mean as hell. That's that Acapulco. Damn it. That's 607 what, right?
Yeah, like that's the full system.
Oh, yeah?
Mhm.
That's a piggy bank breaker right there.
Wow. Like it's supposed to be 12, but I got lucky. They're like, oh Predator, oh we'll hook you up.
Hell yeah.
I had to drive halfway to get it, but you know.
I would drive it too.
I only paid like $620.
What the fuck? How did you do it?
That shit just jumps.
Oh, yeah, it's surging and shit.
That's just like the calibrating run. The next one's.
All right. Why is my heart racing? It's like my kids like doing it, like
That's
testing,
a baby right there.
like test anxiety or so. I'm pretty sure I do more abuse to it. Whoa, that was more than last time.
Change it now towards the horsepower set. Off round.
No, that was my
Oh, is it still?
Blue, put your bike in the Blue.
No.
Go ahead.
No.
You don't gotta ride it. Go ahead.
Oh, that's better than last year.
Whatever.
Go ahead.
Whatever.
So that was 172.6.
Go ahead, Blue.
160 horsepower.
Okay. There you go. You did work to it. What was before? What is it?
Actually, last year I didn't have a power.
Exactly. You didn't have anything on that bike.
Whose ninja is that?
That's mine. 172. Oh. That's a lot better than last time I had her here.
It's not testing the speed, it's just testing the motion.
Oh, okay.
You just put you up to 13 now.
That's his speed that's being shown, not the horses.
Oh, okay.
No, that's the speed that he's showing. Like he's only testing horsepower. When he's taking what speed. Oh,
Yo,
my
if you
bike
fall,
over there.
like, is your helmet protect you too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I know what she's capable of doing. Had a little fun today. It's actually 170. But fun stuff.
Let's go.